In this module, we will examine the maintenance works management cycle. As with all works, maintenance works must be well organized in order to ensure their good management and traceability. Now, in the first part of this module, we will look at the progression of maintenance works management at a general level. We will then go on to explain maintenance works management within the context of remedial maintenance and preventive maintenance. Let's begin by looking at maintenance works management in general. Sequenced tasks are allotted to maintenance teams in the form of work orders according to their particular profession, electrician or electromechanical engineer, for example. Maintenance works are scheduled and organized in conjunction with the facility, consequently enabling locked-out equipment or structures requiring maintenance to be made available. Once the maintenance operation is complete, the equipment or structure is unlocked, tested, and brought back into service. The person carrying out maintenance adds a report on the tasks completed to the CMMS. The report includes a brief description of maintenance tasks, as well as any important observations to be recorded in the equipment's life sheet. The spare parts used are described in the maintenance operation report to enable them to be removed from the stock list. This also allows the cost of spare parts to be associated with maintenance works. The service manager validates maintenance works orders, permitting the work order to be finalized and the maintenance operation to be validated. Indicators on the progression of maintenance works are automatically updated. So let's now look at maintenance works management within the context of remedial maintenance. Remedial maintenance works begin with a malfunction being detected on a piece of equipment. A maintenance work order is generated by operators in the field who must then obtain the supervisor's authorization. Once the validation is effective, this maintenance works order is transformed into a work order, making it possible to carry out maintenance works on the asset. A maintenance report must then be drafted, recording all of the information concerning maintenance works carried out in order to monitor the condition of the piece of equipment. Lastly, it is recommended to note all of these stages in the CMMS. Let's now look at how the works management cycle functions in the case of preventive maintenance. In preventive maintenance, there is no existing problem with the equipment. It is simply a case of respecting the maintenance plan and existing task lists, including those issued by the manufacturer, in order to maintain equipment in optimum condition. It is therefore a question of planning the maintenance operations to be carried out on the equipment selected. Works orders are generated following which maintenance can be carried out. Like for remedial maintenance, a maintenance works report must be drafted and all of these stages must be recorded in the CMMS. The main points to be remembered regarding maintenance works management. Works are not managed in the same way depending on the type of maintenance to be carried out, remedial or preventative. In all cases, a maintenance report must be drafted and it is recommended to record all of the stages of the maintenance cycle in the CMMS for optimum monitoring.